little friends. How are you today? We have learned a few digraphs in the past lessons. In today's lesson, we are going to see the digraph th, ng and k. The digraph made by T and H can be sounded in two different ways. One sound is th, as in thin, which is called the unvoiced th, and the other sound is the, which is called the voiced th, as in then. So th can be sounded as th, as in thin, and the, as in then. What other words can you think? Think. That's right. And for the sound, we have mother. Great job. For the words where the digraph is in the beginning of the word, we will read the pink letters first, which is the digraph, the orange letter next, and the blue letter in the end. Where the digraph is in the end of the word, we will read blue color first, orange color next, and the pink color, which is the digraph, in the end. Let's get started. Th, g, thug. Th, mb, thumb. Th, n, thin. Th, d, thud. Oh, nice! Now let's see some words where the digraph th is at the end of the word. Cloth, cloth. Math, math. Froth, froth. North, north. Good job, little ones. Let's see the next digraph. Now here we have a digraph made by an N and a G, which sounds something like Mostly this digraph will be in the end of the word. Let's see some words. Ring, ring. Sling, sling. Song, song. Lung, lung. Awesome! And now let's move on to the last digraph of this lesson, which is made by N and a K, which sounds something like a ink. Again, this digraph will also be in the end of the word, like this. Ink, pink. Bunk, bunk. Blink, blink. Tank, tank. Awesome! So we learned 3 different digraphs in this lesson. Do practice reading some more words with these digraphs till you are comfortable reading them. You can also try to write these digraphs with the help of your parent. If you haven't visited the previous lessons already, please do so. We will meet in the next lesson to see some more exciting words. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.